I spent almost $5,000 to build up a simple website for my audience. It wasn't a full startup, just a small tool where my subscribers could submit video ideas and vote on the ones they want me to make next. So instead of hiring a developer, I tried an AI web coding tool called Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a web coder, you must be familiar with tools like the Cursor, like the Claude Code. But today, I bring something new on the table. There's a new shop in town, and this is Verdent. I already stopped using Cursor and Claude Code and turned into Verdent. Why that? Because Verdent is so convenient. You don't need to install skills. For the skills, tools like the Cursor, like the Claude Code, it's very hard to install skills for ordinary people like us, right? Like newbies, you cannot figure it out how to install it. Not to mention like the different plugins and some environments, it's very hard to install. But Verdent just solve it. Everything in Verdent is quite simple. From install the software itself to using different trends like the skills, like plugins, you can easily click it and you got access to all the top AI models like Opus 4.7 or GPT, Gemini, everything you name it. It is the best AI tools I have ever used for web coding. And today I want to share this secret weapon of mine to you, and I'm gonna build a website in the next 8 minutes. Okay, what we're waiting for, let's go. Okay, how to install Verdent? Basically for Mac, you just simply click here and drag it from here. After that, click the open. You can sign in by Google account for sure. Alright, now we got Verdent installed it. And I love the interface of the Verdent for sure. And when you click the capabilities, you can find the skill store where you can add it to your Verdent. Let me find some skills that's quite unique. For example, like this one, front-end design. So you can click here, open it. And we got Figma MCP, which is great because when you designed your website, you can use it to link to Verdent. And not only like that, but also you can use Verdent to connect to GitHub or other software. This is really cool. And when you click plugin, you also have some nice plugins, for example, like GitHub, Notion, Strip even, and Supabase. So Supabase is like the backend for web coding tools. And when you link to GitHub, your code will be automatically pushed to your account, which is great. All right, let's click here, add a new project. So when you click here, you are into this page. Verdent is equivalent to Cursor or OpenCloud, even Codex. I know many people are using Codex or Claude Code nowadays, but I think Verdent is like even more convenient. Why? Because this is very easy to install. You already saw it, right? And you can connect to all the latest model. And also you can connect to all the latest models on the whole world. For example, like the 4.7 and GPT 5.5, Gemini, and many more. If you got your own API keys, you can simply click here. You can click here, add the API key, and simply type from here. For example, like the Open Router. And by the way, Open Router is a platform that you can use multiple APIs. So which is convenient. You don't need to purchase API from Verdent, but you can bring your own. And you can click here, add a CLI agent. All right. And also you can connect to different channels. You got Slack, you got Telegram, Facial, and Discord. So let me introduce this functionality. So basically, if you play around with the Open Cloud, you might notice that when you leave your computer open and you can go to the park and play. Meanwhile, you can use your iPhone to send your ideas to your robot. So Verdent is like between Claude Code and Open Cloud. Imagine you got your developer working for you 24/7. So you can connect to different MCPs by this, for example, like the Figma. This is terrific. So on our desktop, I'm gonna build up a new folder and I'm call it YouTube Ideas. And let me link to this project. Okay, linked it. And as a web coder, I really love the Opus 4.7, which is, I think, the best on the market. So let's choose this one. And here we have a selection like syncing level. So if you choose max or high, which will spend more credits, but the result is better. So let's just choose a medium for now. And here you can type your prompt. And by the way, you can click here to choose different skills. For example, like the front end design, if we choose this one. And here, if you have any images, you can upload from here. For example, like the screenshots of your design or any content. Okay, let's add the front-end design skills. All right, let's build up our website. So I need to find my YouTube link. And this is URL of my YouTube. And also I have this personal website, maybe useful. And let's build up our first website. Oh my god, after several minutes, now we have our website. It's listed here and already very impressed. Okay, let's just check it out what happened. So first, this AI checked my website and also my YouTube channel and built up everything. So this is like the different sections of our website. So let's going back to our desktop and click here. Oh my god, let's double click. Wow, because we are using the front end skills and this is my name and I love the hovering effects. Oh my god. And when we scroll down, wow, very nice. So you can find a lot of small interactions everywhere. It's really nice. Well done. And when you click here, brings you to my YouTube channel. And when you scroll down again, now we have this. Oh my god. Now building a research agent in cloud from prompt to product. This is one of my video. That's so smooth. Can you actually believe it? This is not like the templates. This is a very unique design, specifically designed for us. I really love the fonts and the color. And this is a very nice bento boxes. And we'll scroll down. Who is James? She, half designer, half engineer. That's so dope, man. So this is website I give 9 out of 10, I say. And all the interactions are there. But you don't have my photo. So maybe can we ask for more? Let's upload a photo of mine. Okay, my prompts goes like this is my photo, but looks not very cool. Trying to apply this into our website, also make some sub pages. Thanks. Let's see what's gonna happen. And also you can drag this window to different size. So later we're gonna make it a responsive design. And in here, this small button is called virtual edit. So when you click here, you can simply change the text. Oh my god, that's so dope, right? I want to change the teaching to teach. Let's click here, edit now. Okay, now our website is officially responsive. Check it out this. Oh my god, so smooth, right? This ad just helps me to add my photo. Oh my god. And even change the style. Looks nice, right? I cannot wait to use this tool to make my new website. And because of this is totally in your local files, which means you can upload to your server. You get full controls of it. It's so much better than those web coding tools that saves your website in their server. So this is why I love the Verdent. And because of the Opus 4.7, we are able to design such a nice website. And even you can make it faster. You can build up your data center. You can build up the front end and the back end. What is the back end? The back end is meaning that the space that you storage your users' data, so you can make a fully functional website by this tool. I think this is like next gen for Claude Code or Cursor, personal opinion. Yeah, so in conclusion, Verdent I think is so much better, so much cleaner. And it's like one-click installation. You don't need to spend a lot of time to install all the environments that the Claude Code needed. And the pricing is quite reasonable compared to other competitors. And you got a chance to use all the top AI models on the market. What's more, you can even add your own models. Speak of the skills, I think this is so much better, so much easier than Cursor and Windsurf. And you can even add the functionality of the payment by using this Stripe. Okay, what you waiting for? Just give it a try. Try this Verdent and you will be next big web coder. Okay, so much for today. I hope you liked today's content. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. And ladies and gentlemen, I will see you on our next episode. Bye bye.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.